Hernandez Body Shop has been serving the Rogers area as an authentic auto body shop since 2004. They're different than any other body shop around, and it's seen by the love and care that they put into their work. Hernandez Body Shop specializes in classic car restoration, paintless dent repair, and collision repair, and the team takes pride in offering quality work for any high-end vehicle that you bring in. For all of your auto restoration needs, give Hernandez Body Shop a call at 479-899-6289 or stop by to visit and learn more.